Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Laurie.
Tonight, we're going to try another store-bought dough. Which one are we trying tonight?
It's a plain dough from Trader Joe's.
We've not done Trader Joe's dough before, so we'll see how it goes. And if you like this content, please be sure to give us a thumbs up. And please hit that subscribe button if you'd like to help us build our channel. And your comments and questions are really helpful to us. One, it makes us better at what we do, and it also helps us understand the type of content you're looking for so we can put that content together. So stay tuned. Laurie's going to get in the kitchen and start to work with the Trader Joe's dough, and let's see what this looks like.
Okay. So today I'm using Trader Joe's pizza dough. And I could see that it's a little challenging just to get it out of the bag. So I'm going to flour my hands first, and I'm going to try to just invert the bag and see if I can get the pizza dough out. So this is only the second time that I've tried to use a dough that I didn't make myself, that I've already rolled into a ball. Well, it looks like it's coming out pretty good. Oh, great. Okay, so now I'm gonna, doesn't say that we need to put it into a ball or anything. It looks like it's nice and full of gas, so let me see how successful I'll be at stretching this out. Looks pretty nice. Feels good. It's nice and soft. It said 30 minutes. To leave it out at room temperature, I've had it out a little bit longer than that, maybe closer to an hour. So I already have my peel covered with some semolina and flour. So let's see how, this is a very nice dough. I always make my pizza on the peel. I know a lot of other pizza makers don't do that, but seems pretty easy to handle. I'm kind of surprised because it was pretty sticky when I first took it out of the out of the bag. Okay. It's not exactly a round pizza, but that's okay. So I'm just, for comparison's sake, I'm going to make a pizza that I usually make, which is just green pepper and pepperoni. So I already have my sauce made. See? Okay, it's ready to go. I'm going to give it a little extra stretch. See if I can make it as round as possible. Okay, here we go.
Do your lunch. Okay, and you can put that right down there. Do you want to be the one to turn it?
No, you're going to do your own.
Can you hold that for me
Sure.
for a moment?
Oh,
I think it might be a little early, huh? I'm going to turn that down. Should I go lower?
Oh, nice rice.
Down a little more. kind of slow cook this one. Smells good.
It does. Well, it's the same ingredients that we always use, but look at the rice. It's very nice.
Yeah, that's pretty interesting, huh?
Mm-hmm.
We did one other store-bought pizza. It was a Pillsbury dough, I think.
It was the Poppin' Fresh
Yeah.
in one of those containers.
Yeah, Kind of
I
cool.
really wouldn't recommend that. It would be good for a pan pizza, though, in an oven.
Okay, clearly, I want to keep this one side, so we're going to keep this back in there.
Looks good. You're not
looks good.
burning it at all.
Yeah. Should we look at the bottom?
Yep. Looks nice.
Looks nice. What do you think?
Well, you know, I'm always afraid that it's
Well,
not
that's
going to...
pretty brown.
Wow, yeah.
Your cheese is
It
pretty
looks
good.
like a Neapolitan.
Yeah, it does. Which we're going to start making some Neapolitans. Up until now, we've been doing New York style pizza, but we're going to do the traditional Neapolitan and see how we do. I'm sure it's going to take us a few pizzas to get it right. What do you think?
It looks good. Oh, we're going to put it on the little rack, okay?
Yeah. Boy, look at that. That looks...
So I read that sometimes if you put it on a wire rack for a few minutes, the crust will stay crispy. So
Now, we're going to do a second pizza, I think, tonight as well. So, aren't we or no?
oh no, I didn't take the other one out
Oh,
of
okay.
the...
All right. Well, then maybe we'll do that on another night. But we thought, we'd get two. So we do the first one and then see what we learn from that and then make the adjustments on the second one. But this one's looking pretty good.
It does.
Let me know when we're going to slice it, and I'm going to
Well,
turn the oven off.
Okay. It looks beautiful. Can you see it in the camera?
Yeah, hopefully the camera can see that one. Oh, that's all right. We got to put it on there anyway.
Wait a minute, we're going to put it on our new...
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll.
Or you can cut
no,
it on that.
No, we'll cut it on our new. We're trying this cutting board. Let me get the peel here. Okay. And let's give this thing a cut. So maybe I'll do. Well, it's just you and I tonight, so. Boy, that dough sounds crunchy.
Yeah. I can save myself a lot of time.
Well, I think we're still going to make our own dough, don't you think? Well, we don't know. We may taste this and say, heck.
That might
All
be
right.
better than...
I'm just going to put this on a towel. All right.
Should we give
You
it
want
a
to be
try?
the first one? Yeah, you go for it.
Oh, I want to show the rise on the crust. It's very nice. Ooh. I think I might give it a minute.
So,
It's-
aside from having peppers and pepperoni on it, the dough looks kind of Neapolitan-ish.
Yeah.
You know, all right. Let's get pizza
Give me
now.
the biggest pizza.
Oh, yeah, you
please.
take the biggest one. All right, let's see.
What do you think?
I think it's tasty. I really think it's tasty.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay. Cleaning crew will come in and get that one. So what do we think? Nice rise on the crust. Mm-hmm. Do you think we cooked it enough? If this is a Neapolitan style, then it's going to be not so much as crispy in the center, right?
Mm-hmm. Or maybe I could have made it a little bit thinner.
Okay, you could have pressed it out a little bit. All right.
But it's very tasty. The dough was easy to handle. I was surprised how well it was. It wasn't super sticky. In a pinch, I would do it again.
Yeah, I'm going to give it a thumbs up in a pinch. Of course, there's a lot of fun to making your own dough.
Yeah, and of course, we always like that sourdough taste.
That's
too.
true. But they also have an herb
That might
infused dough. So
That
maybe
might be good.
Maybe we'll try that one. Who knows? But all right, just in closing, I think we're giving
Trader
thumbs up for
Joe's,
in a pinch.
Thumbs up.
Yeah, if you're in a pinch,
Or you
thumbs
don't
up.
have any dough that made yourself,
There you go.
and it's ready in 30 minutes out of the refrigerator. So
And it was easy to get out of the bag too.
yeah, I was surprised.
Okay. Well, let's close on that. You were
Okay.
surprised. All right. Well, again, if you like this content, please give us a thumbs up, and we'd really appreciate you considering subscribing to help us build out our channel. And as always, we enjoy reading your comments, and we learn from it, and we read each one and respond. So thanks again. Till next time.
Till next time. Bye.
Bye.